Lydia has a unique perspective, and it's very multicultural. Blended Collective, and that name is the perfect description of her vision. It is a company that helps brands from a multicultural perspective, and it helps her and her clients reach audiences that were not paid attention to before.
That primary focus on what I kind of call it the ACD, the authenticity, culture, and diversity is kind of at the center of everything that Blended Collective and Lydia does.
It's a genuine person leading a company in an industry that there's just so much work that needs to be done, and it is always trying to create more conversation, engage more conversation, pointing people into places where they may be uncomfortable, and it's always about making real impact.
And working with Lydia, just really her professionalism, her promptness, her efficiency, and the strategies that she had were just unequaled in the marketing firms that I've worked with.
And Lydia Michael and her team of experts, they have consulted with Fortune 500 companies on their multimedia channels to ensure that they can enhance their visibility in the markets that they support. And as a result of that, Blended Collective has been invited to the Association of National Advertisers Diverse Supplier List as one of the top diverse suppliers in the country.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, many women across all sectors in our network were impacted, and Lydia Michael was contracted by our organization to provide specific marketing assistance. One was through our Michigan Women's Marketplace and providing webinars for our Recovery Institute, but also the one-to-one assistance that reached more than 200 women during that time. And that really helped them to be able to not just look at pivoting, but determining what strategies will help them to produce more business.
Being both that we're women entrepreneurs running companies and marketing, it's just been so nice to be able to share our thoughts on things and to be able to collaborate and to be able to help each other, empower each other. And I'm just so proud of her for what she's built and also how many people and brands that she's been able to impact.
As an event photographer, it was nice to see how diverse not only the audience, but also like the topics. There are topics that you don't get to hear a lot in a lot of speaker series.
It's been amazing to have a company like Blended as part of our network, because this work, we can't do it alone. I like to say working hand in hand with residents, businesses, and community to really move this work forward, and I see Blended as an ally in that work.